make sure that we're recording. Yeah, we're recording. Hey guys, how you doing? Ron Shawley here with you for AccuWeather.com and for Pennsylvania Weather Watchers. What you're looking at is a product from aldibrothers, okay? This is their top-end backup camera. Now, I just want to share with you what I'm doing here, okay? Now, it's a wireless system, okay? Completely wireless. But you have your antenna, transmitter, receiver, okay? Well, receiver mostly, okay? This is the transmitter end, okay? The camera you would mount in the back of your vehicle, you know, allowing you as you drive, you know, you're backing up, whatever, you can see people behind you. But what we're going to do is we're going to take it one step further. We're going to be creating a system that can monitor storms for you, not just a backup camera, but have the capability of allowing you to mount this in your vehicle, and then you can absolutely take the camera and position it anywhere you want, even taking it off the vehicle and positioning it in a position of your choice, okay? Now, they have a clamp that comes as part of their arsenal, okay? These clamps are pretty cool, and they're really inexpensive, all right? I like them for a number of reasons, man. You got your standard stud mount for your camera, your SLR camera. You can put your GoPro on here, and you simply clamp it to wherever you want to clamp it to, okay? In this case, you could take it and mount it right to the camera and place it wherever you want. Now, what I've done is I've attached these magnets, and they're really strong. These came from aldibrothers as well. And, you know, once you put these magnets down, no matter where you put the camera, it's not going to blow off. Even under, you know, high intense winds, this camera is going to, you know, stay put, all right? Not to say that if a tree branch were to hit it, it wouldn't damage it, okay? But, now, traditionally, this camera is mounted in the back, okay, near your license plate, and then you would simply attach the two wires here to a power source in the back of your vehicle. But we're not going to do that today. What we're going to do is we're going to attach, I got some wire, I believe this is 12 gauge or 14 gauge, maybe it's 12 gauge, okay? The heavier the gauge, the better. If you're curious about the gauge, just go to an automotive store and tell them you need wire for hooking up a camera, okay? And they'll probably give you, I would think 14, but I prefer 12 gauge. It's a little bit heavier, okay? Now, I think this is 12 gauge. I may have just made a major mistake, but basically it's just automotive wire, okay, for wiring radios and other necessities in your vehicle. So what we're going to do, real simple here, this is your actual display unit, okay, and it has a ton of menus on here, okay? It's got a wide screen. It comes with a sun shield, and I like this sun shield. How many times have you had a camera or a GPS in your car and you can't see it because the bright sun? Well, the sunshade here allows you to see the image being displayed on the screen, okay? Screen protector comes with it, of course, it's a necessity. It has a volume key. It actually has a capability, there's a microphone here too, where it'll, you know, if somebody were screaming back here, you'd hear it. Not only see the person, you'd hear them screaming through this monitor system, okay? But again, what we're doing is, I'm going to connect the power source from here and here, hooking them together, all right? Black and black, red and red, real simple. And then we're going to plug it into a power source that plugs right into the cigarette lighter, okay? Really neat. So one end's going to go here. The other end of the cable will hook up to the monitor, and that, it's real simple. Real simple, okay? The green wire, this is a reverse wire. This is only used if you want the unit to come on when the vehicle's in reverse. And we're not going to worry about that today, okay? We're going to totally make that obsolete, all right? So when I come back, I'm going to show you the product basically all hooked up, okay? And I mean, I like this. It's a very affordable buy. It comes with a suction mount, and this mount can be adjusted in any conceivable way that you want, okay? So, all right. Oh, before I go, yeah, okay. They also include these 3M 2A. Well, I'm sorry, this is 3M Velcro. So what I'll do is I'm going to attach to the bottom here the Velcro, okay, like that, and then simply attach it to my dashboard. So it won't be a permanent fixture, but it will allow me to have the unit right there on my dashboard, and if I want to, I can simply remove it because it is Velcro. Okay guys, you can see the camera now. I have it plugged in, and again, it was really simple to do, okay? The male plug that came with the camera is right here, okay? And I basically just connected it onto the black and white wire from the monitor, and I attached a black and white wire extension wire. I only did that because that gives me the flexibility that I want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try to turn the camera up so it faces the, let me do this maybe this will work. I can turn it sideways, stand this up like that so you all can see the image. I'm going to take the camera part, and I'm going to move it. I'm going to move it away from the truck at certain intervals. Now mind you, the signal, the power is to the monitor and to the transmitter of the camera, okay? But what you're seeing now is a wireless image, all right? Make sure that the face of the camera is clean. Okay, I'm going to show you the inside capabilities. It's not dark yet, but we're gonna test it out here for a second. I'm gonna test out this camera's capabilities in shining in the dark here. Okay, there's the organs and stuff. Let's take this and let's close the lid. Walking the light to it. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Okay, that's actually the IR. I just put it inside my tailgate. The IR is really strong. Of course, the IR is aimed at the bed of my trucks. That's why you got that bright reflection there. Okay. Now I've changed the angle a little bit. You can see it's got some good IR capabilities to it. Super. As you can see, I've moved the camera. It's facing the trees. That's not a bad image right there, okay? Not a bad image at all. So if we want to aim the camera on top of the truck, I can aim the camera. You can see me panning the camera around. Alright. Again, I can mount right to the top of the truck. I can tilt the camera up toward the sky any direction I want. I can go 360 with it, okay? Now, of course, I'm using the magnets, okay? And once the magnets are applied to the truck itself, it's really hard to move them, okay? There you can see I'm looking right at the camera. Got great image. Great image. Now, the whole idea about doing this, folks, was to allow us to observe storms in a safe manner, okay? That's looking straight up at the sky. And of course, I got clear skies, so you're not going to see no cloud definitions up there at all. Okay. Now we got a car coming up the road, so let's see how the camera works on, filming vehicles approaching our location. That works really good. Okay. Very good. All right. Okay, and then we can see it moving away. All right. So it works really good. If you want to, you're a hunter, and you want to film. Now, just to give you an idea, I got it aimed down toward the woods, okay? Again, this is all Wi-Fi, folks, all right? Now, if you're a hunter and you're disabled, and you got the permit to hunt from your vehicle, this is absolutely the way to go. Absolutely the way to go. You can sit in your truck, watch the camera, put the camera anywhere from 120 up to 200 feet away, and you can observe the animals as they come into view, and get your shot right. This is awesome. I like this. Okay. Again, I modified it to meet our needs. Again, normally it's the monitor is hooked up to your dashboard, so. There's another vehicle. Okay, up the road. Trying to figure out. Panning to the right, again to the ground. I'm going to see something here. You can see me facing down the road, right? That is clear. That is really clear. Not bad at all. And ironically, I still have a screen. My screen cover that comes with the is still on the. Pretty good feed there, totally. I like that. And again, like I said, it has that night, they switched to night vision. All right, there's our night vision. You can see it switching right there. So the night vision is awesome. Look at that. I mean, you can see how well it illuminates in the dark. That is so cool. Anyway, folks, Aldi Brothers, check them out, okay? Unplug it. Is that we simply just unplug the plug here. All right, I'll show you the plug. That's the plug that plugs into the cigarette lighter. All right, Aldi Brothers. Anybody want some kittens? We got lots of cats up here. Okay, a smorgasbord of cats. I would appreciate it if people would not dump their animals out here on our farm. But they do. Yep, and look at that. Here comes some more kittens. Look at that. There are cats all over the place.